Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per month with no website, no money to start. And so this is going to be a good way for you guys to make some good side money so that you can invest in yourself. Okay, stay tuned to the end about that. So let's get started right now. So guys, before I get started here on my YouTube channel, I do want to bring the attention to you on the right here, this Make Big Money link. If you want to click this link to learn what I do and make bigger money online, you could do that with this link right here, okay guys? Alright guys, so let's go to the first site. The first site I want to show you is actually this site, okay? It's called dailytranscription.com. Well, it's called Daily Transcription, and then to get to this, you go to dailytranscription.com. And what this is that this is a business that provides a transcription service to other people. So if you or some other brand, you know, there are many people that have videos or audio files that they want to transcribe into text, they go to companies like Daily Transcription to get that done. So if you want to work online, this is actually a company that you can apply to do the transcription work. But if you guys stay to the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you a free tool that will help you with this job very easily, guys, okay? That's why I call it a ninja trick. So if you like to transcribe or want to learn how to transcribe to make money like this is very possible to make a good income, a side income, even $1,000 per month or even more, even almost a full-time income, guys. And I'll show you in a second where it says that, okay? So you can make $1,000 per month or more with this website, and it just depends on how good you get with it, okay? So how to transcribe is not that hard. It's whatever you hear, you type it out, right? So it is definitely not hard at all to learn. So the skill that you do need is typing, okay? So because the faster you type, the more money that you're going to make per hour, because the longer it takes you to transcribe, the lower your cost per hour, right? So you want to be able to transcribe quickly. So that's just one of their service, just FYI. So they have many different services, as you can see down here. And if you go to FAQ, they have FAQs for their clients about the different services that they have. So they have 9 things that they do for their clients, okay? But if you want to do the work, you just go to careers and you could see they have transcriptionists, they have subtitler or captioner, and you can do translations if you know another language, okay? So there's Spanish, and I believe there's other countries as well if you want to do translations if you know another language, and you're going to pay even more if you know another language, and that's a bonus. All right, so let's see. So join the Daily Transcription team. Interested in a transcription career? We're excited that you're interested in one of our openings. So Daily Transcription provides services to entertainment, corporate, and legal industries, as well as academic institutions. Benefits of working with Daily Transcription: it's flexible. You can work on your own schedule, work where and whenever you want. Assignments come to you, you get paid weekly, and you are being paid one of the higher rates than their competitors, and they start at 75 cents to 80 cents per audio minute. So this is not the time that it takes you guys to transcribe, it's the time that the audio file is, okay? So if it takes you 2 minutes or 3 minutes to transcribe 1 minute, you're going to be paid 1 minute. Okay, so you're gonna also receive training, feedback, and coaching, and you can collaborate with like-minded others and learn from the best. So they actually provide you, they want you to get better. So if you want to work with this company, they will help you to get better and better and better. So spend time with more. So yeah, so you earn more money, then you can spend time with your family more. So we don't guarantee specific amount of work. Of course, nobody guarantees any type of income, guys, okay? Nobody guarantees that, but you know, their top transcriptionists make anywhere from $250 a week to $950 per week, guys, okay? So it's all about consistency. If you can do this every single week and get the work, then you can make anywhere from 1,000 per month to almost 4,000 per month, guys. Okay, you can see that right there. All right, that's from their top transcriptionists. Okay, so who is this for? It's for basically anybody. Okay, it's like for stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home fathers, anybody who has extra time on their hand and want to make an extra income. So how are you going to get started? All you got to do is click the position that you want on the right page. So back here, you're just going to click one of these. And then you're going to, let's see, you will be expected to pass a skills assessment test as well as an actual transcription test. And then you're going to check out the list of FAQs below. So there's going to be different FAQ questions that are answered down here if you want to check this out. But basically, the things that you want to know are how you're going to get paid, right? So actually, the skills, this is very important. So you will need a typing skill of at least 50 WMP. And actually, this is very low, on the low side, because I've seen it higher. Like they would want 65 to like 75 words per minute. This is words per minute, the typing that you are doing. Excellent listening skills and a strong mastery for English. Okay, and ability to meet strict deadlines. And let's see, what else do you need? How do I get paid? So daily transcription pays weekly by check only unless you are outside of US and Canada. Other payment arrangements can be made. And you need to be 18 years or older to start here. Okay, so that's about it for this site. I just want to show you also 2 more sites, okay, that does this so that you can maximize your earnings online. Okay, so rev.com is another one of those sites that you can do this. So they have transcription and captionists and also foreign subtitles. And then here's another site. This one is called Scribby.com, and it's very similar to those 2 other sites, and you can do transcribing here. And so there's actually a free tool, a free tip that I'm going to show you because you stay to the end of the video here. You will get into Google Docs here and you get new blank. Okay, so you get to this page. So why I want to show you this is that you can make your transcription work very, very easy. Okay, guys. So this is what you can do. You're going to go to tools and you're going to do voice typing, guys. All right, so basically what you would do is you would play the audio. So you have to play the audio first, because if you try to click here to record, it's not going to record once you click off this tab, okay, of your browser. So you need to open a new tab to play your audio first, and then you can then click here, and then it'll start typing whatever it hears, like it's doing right now. So this is going to be a faster way for you to do this kind of transcription work, because you have this fancy tool that is going to help you do most of the work, guys. Period. You see that, guys? See, period. It even works with a period. So I just wanted to show you this real quick trick that you can start playing an audio file and click here to record, and it should, if the audio file is clear enough, it should be able to start typing for you. And then so you don't have to do most of the work, guys, okay? And you could earn like this very easily online, guys, okay? So that's your bonus, and I hope you will use it, guys, okay? All right, guys. But you guys, if you want one last tip, guys, this is what I want you to listen to, though, okay? If you can see that you are still going to be kind of trading time for money, and what that means is that once you stop working, it's not as if you could earn more from the work you just did, right? No, you do the work and you get paid. That's it. But guess what? There are ways online that you could earn over and over again from the work that you do once, guys, okay? If you really want to learn how to earn like that, you really got to go to workanywherenow.com/best, and you go to that link, and I will tell you more about how you can do that, okay, guys? So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe so you can learn more ways to make money online, because I always give you good tricks like that to make your work easier, guys, okay? And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every week, guys, but I don't know when they come out. So get notified. All right, guys. So I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.